Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video for my next Winter Nail Fest edition, I will be sharing the new Christmas nail polish that make me happy whenever I wear them video. So in this type of video I actually pick 10 random colors from my own nail polish collection. They are like 10 different brands, or at least that is what I usually aim for when doing a video like this. I have done one for Halloween as well, but I tend to do this type of video once every 2 months. But for this Christmas holiday edition, I really wanted to pick 10 different super festive colors. So we have greens, we have a ton of reds, we have shimmers, we have glitters. I have a couple of creams, or maybe just like one cream color because the holidays are quite glittery and shimmery, you know. And yeah, I am just going to swatch these as usual. And of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, I'm just going to quit the rambling. The only thing I really want to mention is that I just applied one single coat to my natural nail, just to show you what these polishes are like with just one coat, because during the holiday season everyone is always so busy. We don't have a lot of spare time or even time to just sit down, let alone paint your nails. So just to show you what these colors are like within the first coat gives you a really good indication of how opaque they are and if they need even a second coat or not. So yeah, I'm just going to stop right here, grab something to eat, something to drink, maybe even paint your nails together with me while watching this video. And yeah, for now I just want to wish you happy holidays if you're celebrating. I hope you are having a very loving festive time, and I love you guys so much, and of course I hope to see you in my next video as well.